I was just shopping for chicken breasts, so it was going for $8.88 a pound. So with the bone taken off and the skin taken off, so I decided to buy a pack of 3. So it's $2.95 a pound. So you only need to do one extra step, but you have to take off the skin and also debone it. So it just takes about a minute to do that. So first you just take off the skin. You can just separate it like this, just like that. So just go like that. Just put your knife in there like this. So you save yourself a lot of money. So instead of $8.88 a pound, you're paying $2.95. You get 3 of these for the same price as one that's already been deboned. So just like that. So you have a little extra piece here, so you just take that off with it. So there you have it. You have your chicken breast here. Regular $8.88 where I was shopping. You get it for $2.95. Takes about a minute to take off the bones. So sometimes they sell you packaged chicken. So if you cut it yourself, you save a bit of money as well. So what I'm going to do is just slice the chicken up for stir fry or for whatever you want to do. So just cut it into small pieces. You cut it at an angle so it looks like it's wider, so it looks like it's more chicken. So just go like that. Cut it thinner or thicker. So that's pretty thin, so you want to cut a little thicker, just go like that. So a slight angle so you get a wider piece. So cut like that at an angle, you got a wider piece. Just like that, you have a nice order for stir fry. So we're going to marinate the chicken here. So put about half a teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. So we're going to add half a teaspoon of chicken soup base. Put 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Put 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. So you're going to marinate the chicken for at least 1 hour, or you can marinate it overnight. Stay tuned for a future episode for chicken chow mein Cantonese style, using the techniques that we learned in this video. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video. And be sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe so you can get the next new video. And thanks to my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And also I was awarded the top 40 China YouTube channels in the world. And also please subscribe. Just press the button